National Electrical Code Section 410.16 states that recessed luminaires shall be spaced no less than 3 inches, or 76 millimeters, from combustible framing members. Additionally, National Electrical Code Section 410.113 states that recessed luminaires except downlights installed in ceilings of combustible construction shall be enclosed in a thermal barrier of not less than 1/2 inch, or 12.7 millimeters thickness of gypsum board. Touch contact with a luminaire housing and a combustible joist can pose a fire hazard. The heat generated by the luminaire can transfer to the joist, potentially igniting the wood. To mitigate the fire hazard and comply with code requirements, you can take the following steps. Firstly, install a thermal barrier. Install a minimum of 1/2 inch thick gypsum board between the luminaire housing and the joist. Secondly, use a rated luminaire. Select a luminaire that is rated for contact with combustible materials, such as an insulated ceiling luminaire. Thirdly, relocate the hole. If possible, relocate the hole so that the luminaire housing will not touch any joists. It is always best to follow code requirements and manufacturer's instructions to ensure the safety of your electrical installation. If you are not comfortable working with electrical wiring or making modifications to the ceiling, consult a qualified electrician.